What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you one very hype gaming project that is going to be launching their own crypto tokens, and I think it's going to be a very successful project. And in my personal opinion, I think this project can do very well, even up to 100x easily. But before we show the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So this project, it's called Farcana, and Farcana is a multiplayer third-person hero shooter powered by Web3 economy and is backed by Animoca brands. Every project that is backed by Animoca brands is always a successful project in the Web3 space. They already have a link tree and they have a lot of followers on their Twitter. They have a huge community and a lot of engagement on their Twitter posts. Then if we scroll down over here, as you can see, they also have AirDrop event. We're gonna take a look at that slightly later. And as you can see, and this is part of the AirDrop, but this tweet has 49,000 likes and 35,000 retweets and 36,000 comments. It's amazing. It's crazy engagement, even if it's part of the requirement for AirDrop. Still amazing. And then this was recently posted. They joined Neo Tokyo, and Neo Tokyo is one of the most successful Web3 gaming ecosystem. And let's take a look at their AirDrop event. So if we go to this website, so right here you're gonna see that they're gonna be coming out with the FAR tokens, and they're gonna have FAR token AirDrop, so you can conquer the Farcana arenas and reap the rewards. So you can start the mission here, and here's a couple things you have to do to qualify for the free AirDrop. So you have to create Farcana account, then you'll have to create account in the Bybit. I think you'll have to make a couple trades or something, then follow the socials, then social activity, play the game a little bit, and refer a friend. So you'll have to put a little bit of effort, but then of course you're going to be getting free tokens. So this is amazing that they're giving opportunity for everybody, and at the same time you're going to experience the game and you're going to spread the word. And you can start the mission, and if I'm not mistaken, it's available for Windows. And then if we take a look at their website, this is their characters. You can join here, download, and if I'm not mistaken, it's only available on PC for right now. And this game reminds me of Overwatch or some other ones, but the game already launched and a lot of people already playing. And then one more other thing I was gonna tell you guys, they already launched their first collection of NFTs, and it was like a Genesis collection 777, and it was a free collection, free mint. And if we take a look at OpenSea, as you can see, they launched it in December and the floor price is still over 1 ETH. This is amazing, especially in this type of market. We're getting closer to a bull run, but we're not there yet, and companies like that are performing very well. And with that being said, they're going to be launching their tokens, or they're going to be listing their tokens at the end of January. I'm not sure if the date is announced yet or not, but they were at least planning for the end of January. They're going to be listing them on centralized exchanges, and the list price, if I'm not mistaken, couple cents. So if you're going to be able to pick it up as soon as they list, I think this project is gonna fly, and it's easily can do 100x, especially with all the backings, and the game is already out, an entire gaming ecosystem for this project. And this is it. If you follow them on Twitter or X, I'm sure you're gonna be able to find out closer to the launch or closer to the listing on which exchanges they're gonna be listing their token. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.